Hey everyone, it's Neda. Today I'm drawing a cute puppy enjoying a pretty flower. I'm starting with basic shapes. First, I draw a round shape for the head and a simple guideline. Then I add some basic shapes for the puppy's eyes, nose, and body parts. Next, I draw the ground and the flower. The basic shapes help place everything just right. Now it's time to add details. Time to add color. I start with a soft blue-gray for the background. Then color the puppy, flower, and grass with happy bright colors. And that's it, a cute puppy in the garden. Let me know in the comments what you like me to draw next. See you soon!